This video is correct, and one of the best ways to do it is through freelance writing. Freelance writing is when a client hires you, somebody they do not employ, to write a blog, website content, landing page for them. They pay you on a per project basis. That's the point of these sites like Fiverr and Upwork. That's where freelance writers are selling their time and services. Now, it doesn't take you very long on these sites to work your way up to a point where you can be charging $50 to $75 per 500 word blog you write. That's about 1 to 2 hours of your time. After you get used to it, really only 30 to 45 minutes. If you do the math, it really doesn't take that long to be able to make $330 per day, per half day, even per quarter of a day. And if you want to make even more money, you can switch your services to ghost writing. That's when the client claims complete authorship over what you wrote for them. Yes, they get to claim credit, but you get to charge triple. For example, I sell ghost-written ebooks. I write an ebook for a client, like a 10,000 word ebook, and I charge anywhere from $1,200 to $1,500 for that because they get to say they were the author. And I sell all of this on Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, my website, Instagram. We have been so conditioned by corporations to think that making $10,000 a month is a very hard thing that only some of us can do. And that it, of course, requires a 40 to 60 hour work week. Wrong. They have only told you that so you do not veer away and discover that you can absolutely make this money working only 2 to 3 hours per day. You already know where to find the tutorials.